Next, fruits. Usually Siliqua, example mustard. Silicula in some. Seeds. Seeds are small, non-endospermic. Floral formula, abracteate, bisexual, actinomorphics, calyx 2+2, corolla 4, androecium 2+4, gynoecium superior, 2 syncarpus. Economic importance. Many plants belonging to this family are source of food, vegetables, oil, medicine and ornamental plants. Vegetable example, radish, cauliflower, cabbage, turnip. Oil example, mustard. Medicine, ibis. Ornamental example, Capsula bursa pastoris, Cephalosporus. Genetic research example, Arabidopsis thaliana, tailcrus.